On the eve of the relaxation of the COVID-19 measures, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is hitting back at his political rivals who contend the move was politically motivated. The Prime Minister, in a scathing rebuke this morning, insisted that local government elections will not be held this year. Details in this report.
Nonsense. There will be no local government elections held this year.
A straightforward answer from Prime Minister Andrew Holness in response to suggestions that a local government election could be held soon.
And certainly, there will be no local government election held until I am satisfied that Jamaica is on the right trajectory for vaccination.
Mr. Holness also had a veiled warning for political operatives on the so-called campaign trail, who he suggested are breaching the law.
So all those who are looking for excuse to go on mobilization tours and break the DRMA regulations, because some of what I have seen, I am wondering how it is that the Disaster Risk Management Act, which is policed by ODPEM, is not enforced on those who would seek, under the guise of some false mobilization, to break the protocols.
Come July, stakeholders in the entertainment sector will begin benefiting from opportunities to stage parties and other events. The Prime Minister insisted that the relaxed restrictions were to give struggling stakeholders a chance to revive their livelihoods.
As soon as we get an opportunity to provide relief to those persons who have been without income, we will, with due care and caution, allow for increased movement, increased gathering.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.